everyone, hope you are doing well. So previously we have seen that there were some announcements that Mita, Zara and her parents had to listen while boarding the plane. So now we are going to see how they reach Bangkok and what they see in that place. So today we are going to start this lesson called Reaching Bangkok. Now we are going to read the text. So let's read it out. The plane landed at Suvarnabhumi Airport at 4:55 p.m. The name Suvarnabhumi is pronounced as Suvarnabhumi. The name is derived from Sanskrit, which means golden land. The name was chosen by King Bhumibol Adulyadej. The airport is located in Rajathiwa in the Bangli district of Samut Prakan province, 30 kilometers east of Bangkok. The airport has two parallel runways. Both of them are 60 meters wide. One of the runways is 4,000 meters long and the other is 3,700 meters. It can handle 76 flight operations per hour. It can handle 45 million passengers and 3 million tons of cargo per year. The airport passenger terminal is 563,000 square meters, that is 6,060,000 square feet. It is the fourth biggest passenger terminal building in the world. The airport is going through phase 2. It will raise its capacity to handle 65 million passengers per year. The airport has two 5-story car park buildings. The buildings can house 5,000 cars. So what can we understand from this text? We can see that there are many digits and we can see many information about the flight, about the height and about other things. So we can see that they landed at Suvarnabhumi Airport, and this word Suvarnabhumi is derived from Sanskrit. So this name is taken from Sanskrit and it means golden land. So then we can see the airport is located in Rajathiwa in Bangli district, and it's 30 kilometers east of Bangkok. So the airport is 30 kilometers far from Bangkok. Then we can see that the airport has two parallel runways and both of them are 60 meters wide. And then we can see the length of those parallel runways. One is 4,000 meters long and other one is 3,700 meters long. And lastly, we can see that there are some other informations about the flight, that it can handle 75 flight operations per hour, and it can also handle 45 million passengers per year. So now we are going to look at some words that you might find difficult. So the first word we can see is derive. So as I said, derive is to get something from something or take. If we look at the passage, we can see that the name Suvarnabhumi is pronounced as Suvarnabhumi. The name is derived from Sanskrit. So the name is derived from Sanskrit means this word is taken from Sanskrit. So this is what derive means. Derive means when you take something from something. Then the next word is parallel, side by side and having the same distance continuously between them. So if I just show you a very simple example, you can see these two lines, right? So you can see they are side by side and they are having the same distance continuously between them. You can see that the distance are the distance is the same between these two lines. So this is what parallel means. Side by side and it will have the same distance continuously. All right. The next word is cargo. So cargo is basically the goods carried in a ship or plane. So I have attached this picture so that you can understand. So can you see the goods? Goods means these are the things that passengers um, carry with themselves, and these are the goods that are stored in a ship or in a plane. So this is called cargo. So cargo means the goods carried in a ship or plane. Next comes capacity. Capacity means the ability to hold, receive, or absorb. So we can check the passage again to see what it means. Okay, so if we look at this passage, the airport passenger terminal is 563,000 square meters. That is this feet. It's the fourth. All right. Okay, so you can see this slide, right? The airport is going through phase 2. It will raise its capacity to handle 65 million passengers per year. So we have seen that firstly, it can handle 45 million passengers per year. Now it will raise its capacity, means it will raise its, what does it mean? To hold more passengers per year. So it will raise its capacity to handle 65 million passengers per year. So it will raise or it will increase to take more passengers per year. All right. So this is what capacity means. The ability to hold, receive, or absorb. So I hope you have understood the meanings of these words.